Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will look into the concept of semaphores. Guys, before watching this video, you can go through the earlier video where I have clearly explained what is the need of semaphores. Okay, this is an important one. Okay, so what is a semaphore means? Semaphore is a variable on which we can perform read operation, write operation and update operation atomically in the kernel mode. This is what we call it as semaphore, right? Why it is going to be executed in the kernel mode, that I have already explained in the need of semaphores video, right? So to make it atomically execute, they are going to execute our common data in the kernel mode, right? So basically semaphore is a kind of an integer variable which can keep track of all the wake up calls, and when you are going to get any wake up call, it is going to increment it, right? And when any kind of consumer wants its sleep, it consumes one wake up call by decrementing the integer variable and it will perform its operation, and this process is going to be continued until the integer variable value is equal to 0. Means I can say that when there are no wake up calls, then it will go to the sleep. This is what a semaphore will do, right? Basically these semaphores are of two types, guys. One will be counting semaphore, another one will be binary semaphore. Guys, if you are not able to understood the definition of this one, something like what I said, it's a kind of an integer variable which is going to be incrementing its value when a wake up call is happen, and when a consumer wants to sleep, it is going to decrement the integer value by 1, and when it reaches to 0, I can say that it is no wake up calls, and then it will go for sleeping, right? So this is what the general procedure what the semaphore will do, right? If you are unable to understood it, just wait for a moment so that you can get the clear idea on this. And in further videos also, I am going to take various kind of gate questions where you can clearly understand the semaphore meaning if you are unable to understand right now, right? Yes. So generally these semaphores are of two types. One will be counting semaphore, another one will be binary semaphore. Counting semaphore means which can count the values from 0 to n, whereas binary semaphore which can have the values either 0 or 1. This binary semaphore I can also call it as mutex. So guys, in general sometimes some resources have to be used or have to be worked in a mutual exclusive manner, then we can go for binary semaphore. And sometimes some resources have to be used parallelly by many processes, then we can go for counting semaphore, right? I mean, generally if operating system supports more than one process in the critical section, then we can go for counting semaphore, which means that assume that this is a kind of a critical section generally used by only one process inside the critical section. Suppose for example, if the operating system allows to use more than one process inside the critical section, then I can use counting semaphore, so that I can count number of processes are there inside the critical section easily with the help of counting semaphore. Yes, right? So let us dive into the counting semaphore first, so that we can understood its exact how it is working. Let's take the algorithm of counting semaphore, right? So we are going to use structure here. The name of the structure is semaphore, and I am using one variable, that is a value variable, and I am going to use one queue which I am going to rename it as L. Okay, whenever a consumer or a process wants to go for critical section, they will try to perform down operation, and they will down the operation on the semaphore value s dot value equal to s dot value minus 1. If the value is less than 0, I can put that process in the respective queue. Put that in the respective, right? S dot L means what? I can get the queue, I can put it in the queue, and then I will go for sleep, right? Otherwise I will generally go for normal procedure how it is executing. Once it will enter into go for execution like critical section, then if it wants to comes out, then I can go for performing up operation, up of. So I am passing the variable semaphore es, and what it has to do, it has to increment its value s dot value equal to s dot value plus 1. If the value is less than or equal to 0, I can select the process from one of the process from the queue, and I can wake up it. That's it. This is the algorithm to work with counting semaphore. Right? In the next video, we will analyze this particular algorithm, and also we'll see the binary semaphore. Hope you understood this video clearly. Thank you.